Something we take pride in our work is our warranty system. We understand implants and restoration that goes in the mouth are a complex system. A lot of science goes behind it to make sure they're working properly. The same way you would get a regular maintenance on your car, whether it be an oil change or whatnot, we want you to get the same for your mouth. We want you to come every 6 months and clean your teeth and around your implants. And as long as those are properly maintained, we stand behind our work. If anything happens to the restoration, we fully back it up and change it at no cost to you.
It's important for a patient to feel a sense of security going into any procedure, the dental implant procedure included, simply because they are spending money, spending time, having an irreversible change done to their jaw. And when they know that the surgeon and the restorative doctor team that they are working with is standing behind their work and will be with them through thick and thin, I think it can make them feel a lot more comfortable moving forward.